it's Kirsten from WTI. I wanted to share a product that's really helped my acne-prone skin. It's the Blume Meltdown Face Oil. So you might be thinking, why would I add oil to acne-prone skin? But this face oil is different than any other face oils I tried before because it's made of 100% naturally derived plant extracts and oils. So you have plant oils such as sunflower seed oil, black cumin seed oil, rosehip seed oil that have antibacterial properties that really help to fight your acne. As soon as you open this little bottle, you'll see the color, and the color is green. So you know that they're naturally derived plant-based oils, as well as the smell. It smells so fresh. It actually smells like plants. It doesn't smell with any artificial fragrances. It doesn't smell too floral. It just smells natural. I love the smell. I also love the fact that this little product goes such a long way. You need 1 to 2 drops every day. I usually put 1 to 2 drops in mixed with my favorite face moisturizer every night, and I apply it all over my skin, and I know that I'm treating my whole face every night before I go to bed. It's also a really good spot treatment. You can put it on anywhere in your face where you feel like you're getting a breakout. As well, it helps to fade acne scars and dark spots. So it's such a versatile product. I think it's amazing. And I like the fact that it has a little dropper application so you know exactly how much to use. You can use 1 to 2 drops. Depending on how much of the product you want to use. So I just feel it's such a great product. I love knowing that I'm putting natural products on my skin and they're just as effective with treating my acne as any other acids that I've tried in the past. So I think you should definitely give it a try, but that's just my point of view.